In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change calendar color in Ownerrez. If you want to make your calendar easier to read at a glance, changing the color is a simple way to organize your property view and make different calendars stand out more clearly. This is especially helpful if you manage multiple properties and want a faster way to identify them on the calendar. To get started, go to Ownerrez and make sure you're on the home page. Once you're there, direct your attention to the upper left area of the screen. This is where you'll find the calendar name. Click on the calendar name you want to update. This will open the settings area for that specific calendar or property, where you can adjust its display options. After that, look for the change option and click on it. This will take you to the section where you can edit the calendar settings. Once you're in the edit view, find the calendar color setting. This is the option that controls how that calendar appears visually throughout Ownerrez. Next to that setting, click on the drop-down menu. The drop-down will show you the available color choices you can apply. Now select the new color you want to use. Choose the one that makes the calendar easiest for you to recognize. If you're working with several calendars, it's a good idea to pick colors that are clearly different from one another so you can avoid confusion later. After selecting your new color, click Save to apply the change. That will update the calendar color and store your new setting. Once the save is complete, your calendar should now display in the new color, making it easier to spot and work with in your calendar views. If you don't see the change right away, give the page a moment to refresh or revisit the calendar view to confirm the update. That's all it takes to change a calendar color in Ownerrez. It's a quick customization, but it can make a big difference in how easy your schedule is to manage. If you're organizing multiple properties, taking a moment to assign clear and consistent colors can save time every time you check your bookings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.